Polyform MF series are available in 3 different designs: the MF44, the MF60 and the MBF 150. They come in white, grey and blue color. They are not inflatable, but made of Basel, an in-house developed material with unique features particularly suitable for marine products. There are several ways to fasten the fenders. One way is by using the plastic brackets supplied with the fender. However, this requires that the base where you want to mount the fender can be screwed into. In this sample, we first mount a board of wood to the dock finger. When this is done, we can screw the fender to the board. On one full fender length, we use all 4 brackets. The Polyform Marina fenders can be cut, sawn and drilled. To perfectly shape the fenders to cover corners and bends, we make a couple of angle cuts approximately halfway through the fender. Another easy way to fasten the fenders is by drilling holes vertically through the fender and strap it to, for instance, a dock finger by use of plastic ties. Use the black type, they are usually UV resistant and lasts longer. For the Marina bumper MBF 150, we first mount a board of wood by using plastic ties. Then we screw the fenders to the board. With Polyform's Basel dock fenders, your hull is protected from scratches and dents, and you are protecting the value of your boat.